Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an updated Windows 10/11 or recent Mac OS, the OneDrive app installed, and your Microsoft account accessible. Sign in now. This authenticates the sync engine and creates your local OneDrive folder. Once signed in, choose whether to set files on demand. This saves space by showing placeholders versus full files. Make sure two-step verification is ready, because you may be prompted to approve the new device. Start the setup to create the local OneDrive directory. Once done with sign-in, you select exactly what to sync so desktop storage stays predictable. Open OneDrive settings, go to Account, then choose Folders. Pick Desktop, Documents, or specific folders to mirror on your PC. Enable Files on Demand to keep large files online only until you open them. This preserves local disk. Also tune network settings to limit upload and download bandwidth when needed. Make sure to confirm the folder paths are the ones you want, then apply and let initial sync start. To finish, verify sync status icons on files. A green check means local and cloud, a blue cloud means online only, and rotating arrows means syncing. Create a test file on your desktop and confirm it appears in the OneDrive web view. This proves the link works. If something goes wrong, restart the OneDrive app, sign out and sign back in, and ensure you have free storage in your Microsoft account. One key troubleshooting tip: pause and resume syncing to force reevaluation of problematic files.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.